Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I'm nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you, you and me in paradise. Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street.
Naman nito. Mga guys, kunin ko yung aking sandok. Tikman natin to kung talaga. Siyempre, ano naman to, prutas din naman to. Kaya nga tinatawag na miracle fruit eh. Tikman natin. Ito lang pala guys, yung nito. Laman, parang bulak siya. So, tikman natin kung anong lasa. Kasi pag ginamit pala ito, may kinakayod daw tapos niluluto. So, tikman lang natin kung kaya bang kainin. Kasi prutas din naman ito eh. Parang habig sa magagay sa guyabano. Medyo parang mapait-pait. Pero medyo matamis din, para may hawik siya ng guyabano. Medyo may pait-pait na matamis. Pwede rin kainin eh. Oh? Ayos din. Parang sa guyabano, tapos yung kasoy. Parang ganun, ang lasa. Talang may pait lang siya, aftertaste na mapait. Oh, pwede kainin kung gugustuhin talaga. Oh. Diba guys, kasi ang sabi nila, miracle fruit daw ito.